This or that. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first to earn 5 or more points. Lay out the board. Shuffle the choice cards and deal 10 face up above the board in a pyramid shape like so. Give 1 guess token to each player. The oldest player is the first judge. They take the deck of numbered decision cards and start the first round. If there is a card in the pyramid that the judge finds offensive, feels uncomfortable answering, or doesn't understand, they may discard it and replace it with a new one from the deck. The judge reviews the pyramid and, starting at the top, secretly decides which direction they would choose from the prompt and word choices, either left or right. Then, the judge moves down to the next card the arrow points to and repeats the process until they get to the bottom, where they find the matching numbered decision card that the arrow points to and place it face down in front of themselves, locking in their answer. Once locked in, the other players place their tokens on the matching game board number they think the judge picked. If you are feeling confident, you can flip over your token and use your double down side, but you may only use that side once per game. Once all guesses are in, then the judge reveals their card. Every player who guessed the correct number scores 1 point. Every correct guess with a double down scores 2 points. All other guesses score 0. Discard the current choice cards and tally everyone's score on the score sheet. The role of judge passes to the next player in clockwise order and another round is played. Continue playing until one player has scored at least 5 points. Then they are the winner. If it is a tie, then keep playing until there is exactly one winner who must win by at least 1 point.